Okay, here is Copy Morse Code 4th grade, which covers all letters, digits 0 through 9, and the punctuations of period, comma, question mark, slash, and dash. It is set on Farnsworth speed 6 words per minute with a character speed of 17 words per minute. If you don't know about Farnsworth timing, then see the link at the end of this description to learn about that. If you don't have Morse code letters, numbers, and punctuations memorized, then see the link for Morse code memorization for that. This video, along with the other Morse code how-to videos, are meant to teach you Morse code. The copy videos are meant for you to practice with, so feel free to download them and practice with them, or return to them on YouTube to practice with them. The practice session will start in a few seconds. And this is the text that was sent. So you have VVV QWEMD 1 VFBC 9GFPU VGN, C POASC NHWCD QPWOE TRYEU I period FGD LAKSJ DJFG, RFEVE 3VBDA VCBXN MZNX question mark MNSFE 5SNMZ 8DFBM ASDJH QZA6H VDFYQ IETMA 2BHNJ QZPM7 NDCSJ F-XLK LADGV RDC4H TFGS slash BNCD comma VES2 period XCBTS LA period JE AQZWX NHBF dash KLN question mark H 1XC0RV OAE 0S0 V4B6 comma FGHJ slash NB question mark WIRN CRKY6 PGTY0 Q dash FBT CDSXB 5G period H7 Q WS9T CBFHR 47381. That's the end of the practice session.